Hello and welcome to Learning English Hub channel, the podcast for learners who want to speak English with more confidence and joy. I'm John, and I'm here to help you speak English more naturally, step by step, day by day. I will be speaking slowly and clearly so you can follow me and repeat after me. In today's episode, we're going to talk about something very simple but very powerful. How to train your brain to speak English. Training your brain to speak English is a process. It does not happen in one day. It takes time and daily effort. Your brain needs practice just like your body needs exercise. When you practice English every day, your brain slowly changes. New connections form. Speaking becomes easier. First, you must change your mindset. Many people think English is difficult. This thought blocks learning. Your brain listens to your thoughts. If you say, English is hard, your brain feels fear. Fear slows learning. Instead, say, English is possible. Say, I am learning step by step. Positive thoughts relax the brain. Your brain learns best when it feels safe. Do not punish yourself for mistakes. Do not feel ashamed. Mistakes are normal. Babies make many mistakes when they learn to speak. Adults also need mistakes. Each mistake teaches your brain something new. Listening is the first and most important step. You cannot speak what you cannot hear. Your brain needs English sounds. Start listening every day. Listen in the morning. Listen at night. Even 10 minutes helps. Choose simple English. Choose slow English. Fast English can confuse beginners. Simple English builds confidence. You can listen to short stories. You can listen to daily conversations. You can listen to beginner podcasts. Repeat the same audio many times. Repetition is powerful. When you listen, relax. Do not stop the audio again and again. Do not translate every word. Translation makes your brain slow. Instead, listen for the main idea. Your brain can guess meaning. Guessing is a skill. This skill grows with practice. At first, you may understand only a little. That is normal. Your brain is adjusting. Over time, you will understand more words. Then more sentences. Be patient. After listening, start speaking. Do not wait to feel ready. You become ready by speaking. Start with very small sentences. Say simple things. Say, I am learning English. Say, I like tea. Say, today is sunny. These sentences train your brain. Speak every day. Speak alone if needed. You do not need a partner at first. Speak in front of a mirror. This helps confidence. Speak while walking. Speak while cooking. Talk about what you see. Self-talk is very important. Talk to yourself in English. Describe your actions. Say, I am washing dishes. Say, I am going to work. This trains your brain to think in English. Thinking in English is a key skill. Many learners think in their native language. Then they translate. This causes delay. To speak faster, you must think directly in English. Start small. Think one sentence at a time. When you wake up, say, Good morning. When you eat, say, I am eating breakfast. These small thoughts build habits. Habits change the brain. Vocabulary is important, but quality is better than quantity. Do not try to learn 50 words in one day. Learn 5 words. Use them many times. Use them in sentences. Use them in real life. Learn words in groups. Learn words about food. Learn words about travel. Learn words about emotions. Group learning helps memory. Your brain likes patterns. Pronunciation is also important. English sounds may be new for you. Some sounds may not exist in your language. Listen carefully. Copy native speakers. Repeat slowly. Pause the audio. Repeat again. Record your voice. Listen to it. This may feel strange, but it helps a lot. You can hear your mistakes. Your brain corrects itself. Do not aim for perfect pronunciation. Aim for clear pronunciation. Being understood is more important than sounding perfect. Grammar helps structure your speech, but grammar should not scare you. Learn basic grammar first. Learn how to make simple sentences. Learn present tense. Learn past tense. Learn future tense. Use grammar in daily speech. Say, I work every day. Say, I worked yesterday. Say, I will work tomorrow. These simple patterns build strong foundations. Do not study grammar for many hours. Short study is better. Practice is more important than rules. Reading helps your brain see English. Read easy books. Read short texts. Read children's stories. Reading shows sentence structure. It shows how words connect. Read aloud sometimes. Reading aloud connects reading and speaking. It trains pronunciation. It trains rhythm. Writing also trains the brain. Write short sentences. Write a few lines daily. Write about your day. Write your thoughts. Writing slows thinking. It helps clarity. When you write, you notice missing words. You notice weak areas. This helps learning. Create an English routine. Routine is very powerful. Practice at the same time every day. Morning or night. Even 10 minutes is enough. Daily practice is better than long practice once a week. Your brain loves consistency. Consistency builds habits. Habits remove effort. Learning becomes natural. Do not compare yourself to others. Comparison creates stress. Stress blocks learning. Everyone learns at a different speed. Focus on your journey. Celebrate small progress. Today you learned one new word. That is progress. Today you spoke one sentence. That is success. Use English in real life. Write comments in English. Send messages in English. Order food in English if possible. Real use makes learning strong. Fear stops many learners. Fear of mistakes. Fear of judgment. Fear of sounding wrong. Remember this. Most people are kind. And many people also struggle with English. Confidence grows by action. Speak even when afraid. Courage trains the brain. Create an English environment. Change your phone language to English. Watch English videos. Listen to English songs. Follow English pages. Environment shapes the brain. The more English you see, the faster your brain adapts. Rest is important. Sleep helps memory. Your brain organizes learning during sleep. Do not skip rest. Drink water. Eat well. A healthy body supports learning. Motivation keeps you moving. Know your reason. Why do you want English? For work? For travel? For confidence? Keep this reason close. Write your reason. Read it often. Use simple tools. Flashcards help memory. Audio helps listening. Videos help understanding. Do not use too many tools. Keep it simple. Enjoy learning. Enjoy progress. Enjoy speaking. When learning is fun, the brain opens. Some days will feel slow. Some days will feel good. Both are normal. Do not stop on bad days. Training your brain to speak English is daily work. Small steps matter. Kindness to yourself matters. With time, your brain will change. English will feel natural. Speaking will feel easy. Keep going. You are doing better than you think. That's all for today. I hope this video helped you. Keep practicing your English every day. Click the like button if you learned something new. Subscribe to learn English step by step with me. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.